Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander oil maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, use the display button to cycle through until your odometer shows either trip meter A or trip meter B. It is important to have one of these selected. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. Now, locate and press the trip meter reset button. While holding this button down, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the reset button. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display, which will then change to 000000 and flash. This indicates the reset is in progress. Once the 000000 appears and stops flashing, you can release the trip meter reset button. At this point, the oil maintenance light on your dashboard should be off. This confirms that the system has been successfully reset and your vehicle is ready for its next service interval. You have completed the process. If your oil maintenance light remains on after following these steps, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to register correctly. Always refer to your specific Toyota Highlander owner's manual for any model year specific instructions or additional details. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.